Apollo and Sinolink quality comparison test. Coated aluminum alloy testing. Cement brick test. Wood test. Glass test. Stainless steel test. Tensile strength test. Apollo has very good toughness and high strength. Sinolink A+ quality is also very good in toughness and high strength. Sinolink quality and elasticity but low strength. Coated aluminum alloy adhesion test. Three products have good adhesion. Cement brick adhesion test. Apollo adhesion strength is low. In contrast, Sinolink quality adhesion is the best. Wood adhesion test. Adhesion ranking A+, Apollo. Glass adhesion test. Adhesion is relatively strong. Stainless steel adhesion test. Acid glue is corrosive to metals to a certain extent. For high-quality products with high acid cross-linking agent, it is highly corrosive to the surface of the substrate. resulting in no adhesion. It is a normal phenomenon.